Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. So today we're going to take a first look at our new Toucan Security Light Camera.
And Toucan sent us this for the review.
So here it is. It's very substantial, and you can see here there's this big light. There's tons of LEDs there. So this is really a security light with a camera, and not a camera with a light.
Oh, that's a good point. That's a good point. And it comes with a nice heavy-duty base here. It's pretty well built to mount to the wall. So you can do that with a adjustment. And it comes with a power cord. And look at this. They even give you an extension cord. I already have it plugged in.
Yeah, this does
So a
need
lot of wires.
It requires power. It's not battery powered. It's got a 1080p camera, and it's got a lot of great features, including what's really exciting is motion detection by radar.
As opposed to like a PIR sensor or a regular
Yeah,
motion
so this
sensor.
is supposed to be a lot more accurate motion detection. So we look forward to testing that out.
Yeah, it's interesting. I wonder where they put the radar. Do you think it's inside there? I don't know. It's interesting. Well, we'll find out how it works.
We'll find out.
Comes with an antenna. It is Wi-Fi based. It does not come with an SD card. You know, there's no way of plugging an SD card, so you have to record to their cloud service, which you said they give you.
They give you 24 hours free recording.
Yeah, and so it's pretty nice. It's very heavy, which I don't know why it's so heavy because it doesn't have a battery, does it? So that's interesting. It's
all right.
Pretty nice.
So Mark's going to go off and install this, and we'll come back and do our full review. Thank you.
Thank you.